Hello and welcome back. This is Greg French. Today I'm going to talk about MinecraftEDU and ComputerCraft, which is a mod for Minecraft. And we're going to use the mod to teach turtle programming. This is just an intro. The turtles in this ComputerCraft mod for Minecraft are actually like little robots that can go out and do just about anything that you can imagine. One of the big problems within Minecraft is there's a lot of mining that's necessary in order to gather resources. And you can put these little turtles to work to gather all the resources that you could possibly need. Now let's get started. First thing here, the ComputerCraft is based on the Lua program. The Lua program is a free open source program. It's an MIT license, which is pretty much free and open source, just like a lot of the other free and open source licenses. Two of the functions within the Lua program that are really powerful functions that will let you really create some nice powerful programs is you have first class functions and tables. It also has just about anything else that you might need for any kind of computer program. Lua is used quite heavily in the gaming, and it's a great scripting program that can be embedded in other programs. Here's some of the APIs, turtle APIs that are available. If you go into Lua and you just type help turtle, these will list out. And this is just a partial list. You have turtle forward. You also have turtle back, turtle up, and turtle down. The turtles can actually move vertically or horizontally. Turtle dig. The turtle can dig into any of the material. You can dig down. You can also dig up. Turtles can also place other material. You can place cobblestone or any other type of building blocks. You can use this for closing out voids, creating bridges, or creating completely tight tunnels through lava or through water. Turtle attack. We can use this to attack mobs. Turtle detect. We could detect again if there's any open spaces or voids, and then we can use again turtle place to fill those voids. Turtle compare. We can use the turtle compare to compare what the turtle has detected or found with anything else in its inventory. We can also use turtle drop to drop any objects that it mines, because as it does mining, it does pick up whatever it mines. There's also a turtle suck. So if something has been mined or it's floating around because of maybe an attack of a mob, we can use the turtle suck to add this to its inventory. These are just, again, a partial list. There's a very extensive list if you type turtle help at the prompt inside of the program. There's also some other programs that are built in. Go forward, X, you could put a number in here to have it go forward so many spaces, or go back again so many spaces, go up so many spaces, go down, turn right, turn left, and also refuel. Turtles can use just about anything for fuel, primarily coal, but you could also use just about anything else, including lava. Turtle programs. If you go into the program, all you need to do is right-click on the turtle or a computer and type in cd space rom /programs /turtle. You'll get to the turtle programs. And these are the three that are available. Dance just gets the turtle to go through a dance or demo program. The tunnel program is 3 wide and 2 high. This is pretty easy to modify. You can modify it, and we've done it to where we have 2 high and 1 wide, and create again a tight tunnel so that we can go through lava or water. And we'll demonstrate that and actually show you how to use that. Another very good program is Excavate. This does pit mining. You don't want to really start from the surface and go all the way down to the bedrock, because that would create it would take too long, and you would just get too much cobblestone. So on Excavate, we usually go down to about layer 12, and then turn the turtles on so that they pit mine from about layer 12 or 13 down to the bedrock. And at layer 12, you're going to find the majority of the diamonds and the gold and other precious resources. So Excavate is something I'm going to be using and showing you how to use to do some branch mining and pit mining combination. Automating the turtles for mining, farming, building, and attacking can pretty much replace any of the redundant or mundane tasks that are required in the survival mode of Minecraft in order to gather your resources and do some of your farming and building. They can also be placed around your residence or your mine to do attacking of any mob that might come by. It's a great program. I'm using this in the classroom. It's very engaging for the students, and we're able to teach now computer programming in kind of a fun, engaging environment. This is a basic program that I'm going to demonstrate. In order to start a program, you need to type edit, space, and then the name of the program that you want to create. Once you do this, it opens up a blank screen, and then you can begin to type your program. So I would just type /I equals 1, 5 do. And this is a loop. It's a for statement, but it creates a loop, and it goes from 1 to 5 using this I equals 1 to 5, and it'll actually count through from 1 to 5 as it runs turtle forward. So the turtle forward statement here would run 5 times and then end. To save this program, you would just hold down the Control key and S to save, and then again Control key and E to exit. Then you would type in forward to get this program to run. Here I'm going to demo this. You're going to see that the turtle will go forward until it runs into something. Once it runs into something, it will no longer go forward. So to create a clear path, we use turtle dig. So it is able to dig through anything that it's going to get stopped by. And again, this changes the program, just adds one more statement. And again, Control S to save, Control E to exit. Now this is a very powerful function creator. And we're going to add this to our program to create a program that we can do a lot of things with. And we can add a lot more functions and create a lot more power in our program. This -- function creates a comment. Comments are ignored by the program, but it helps the programmers later to go back and understand what they're programming. Once you get beyond a couple of pages, sometimes it becomes difficult to go back and debug or even determine what your intentions were. So here we have function. The function that we're going to create is FRWD for forward, and then a couple of open and closed parentheses. While not turtle forward, what this means is we're going to do this while, but when we're not moving forward, this is if we come to an obstacle or some kind of impediment to our path, we're going to do the following. We're going to do turtle dig. So this is a very powerful little statement that's used quite a bit in the Lua and in the turtle programs. So while not turtle forward, or once the turtle becomes stuck, it's going to dig. And it's going to continue to do this by our main program down here. The main program is, again, a for loop statement, and we're going to have I equals 1, 5. So it's going to do that. It's going to run this 5 times, and then it'll end. Now later we're going to be passing arguments or values into where this 5 would be placed. So as we run this function or this program, we're just going to pass a number in here so that this 5 will be replaced with another number. Now let's go ahead and do it for the mobs or the monsters interrupting you. Let me just take you to this house just real quick. These are some iron doors. There's a button here to press to open the door. Whoops, just knocked it out. Let's see if I get through here before it shuts. And there's my main doors for the house. If you notice, the house is over by the water. Got a nice little hedge. We'll walk around it here. In the back, you'll find there's this little boat dock. And I got my little boat out here. And I can run around the little bay. Go all the way around this other side over here. And we'll come back on the inside here. I've got some little foot or plates here to open up the doors. Here you can see there's a little fire. And I have my big screen monitor up here, or TV. A little couch, some plants. Got some paintings hung on the wall. Coming back here, we're going to go up this side here. Here's my kitchen. Got my little table, my recipe books, my sink or cauldron, my little work table, and my stove. And then again, overlooking the water. Then on the other side over here, got my little bedroom, got my little double bed, my chest, a little table. And then I've got my little computer. And if you right click on the computer, you can see that we've got ComputerCraft OS. And this is the OS that runs in here, and Lua is also the programming language. So we could create any program and run our programs on the computer here. But I'm going to go and demonstrate the turtle first. So let's go back outside. Oops. So I get through here for jets. Now I've got a turtle in my inventory. In order to get the turtles, you'll need to go to your second page. And to get the turtle mod, all you do is download the TurtleCraft mod. It'll come as a zip file, and just place that in your mods directory. To get to the mods directory of Minecraft, in your programs, come down and go to here. Just type in $APPDATA and then %, and then press enter, and you'll find the Minecraft folder will come up. It can be MinecraftEDU or just Minecraft. And when you open this up, you'll come into again the Minecraft folder, and you'll see the mods. Click on mods, and then right here there's ComputerCraft 1.58. Just go ahead and place that in the mods folder in a zip format. You don't have to unzip it, and that's it. And then when you start your Minecraft, you'll have this second page for your resources. So when you press E, you'll see these resources come up, and here's all your computers and your turtles. The turtle, maybe right about here. Right click on the turtle. You can see we have a Turtle OS 1.5. First thing I want to do is run a couple little quick little programs. Go forward, and I'll go forward 5. Oh, you notice it said out of fuel, so I need to give it some fuel. So on my first slot here, slot number 1, I'm going to give it 16 pieces of coal, and I'm going to type refuel and 1/6. It will take all 16, and it's going to have a fuel level which is 1280. It means it can go 1280 spaces forward. So now it has plenty of fuel. Now I'm going to go ahead and go forward 5, and you notice it started forward. Get a little dark. Let me reset my time here. Time set 0. Make it daylight again. The reason it stopped is we have an impediment. We have a block here, and the block is needs to be removed, but it can't remove it. So I need to do something. I need to create a program to dig away any blocks. Don't have a simple program, so I'm going to have to actually write something. So in order to write a program, this program's hung up, so this hung up, so I'm going to have to press down the Control key and T, and it'll terminate whatever it was trying to do. And if it was hung up, now I'm going to type edit forward. Now I've created a new program using that edit command, and it's called forward. It's blank, there's nothing in it, so I need to type some commands. And I'm going to type a simple loop command. I'm going to use the for statement with the letter I equals 1, 5, and we're going to do, this is going to actually run 5 times, and it's going to go turtle forward. And it'll run turtle forward 5 times, and then we'll just type an end in here, and it'll stop. Now I'm going to go ahead and save that program. Saving is Control S, and then Control E, and then we just type forward to run it. And again, you see it's impeded by a block, so let me go ahead and go back 3. Turtle moves back, and then we'll run it one more time. Forward. And you can see it goes forward 3 times, and it stops because it has a block in the way. Now, what can we do to remove that block? Well, let's go back to our program. Edit forward opens up the program I just wrote. Notice I have 3 lines in here. Now I need to put in a dig function here. So if it does run into something, it's going to dig it out of the way. So I'm going to type in turtle dot dig. Open and close parentheses. So now turtle dig will remove any blocks, and then it continues to move forward. So Control S to save and Control E to exit. Now type forward. Now it should move 5 spaces forward and dig out anything that's in its way. And you can see, yeah, it's running. So it's digging out all 5 of those blocks as it's running forward. And that's what we wanted. Go ahead and move it back. So go back 7. Get out of its way here. And it moves back. And I'm going to go ahead and put those blocks back in. Something else I want to show you is if we have like sand on top here, that sand will drop down, and the turtle, before it can move forward, should remove that sand too. So let's see if that works. Forward. And we'll watch it. Yeah, see, it took out the sand too. So that's what's nice about that program. It'll wait and remove anything in front of its way, even if it's sand or gravel. Sometimes that can create a problem with other programs. So I'm going to go ahead and go back here to 3. And we're going to change this program one more time. Edit, forward. And something I wanted to show you was pastebin. After you write a program, after it gets more than a few lines long, you might want to save that program. You have the ability to save it in the cloud using a service called pastebin. And pastebin is free, and it will run on here. To get it to run, you need to go into the configuration file for your ComputerCraft mod, and that's for the turtles. And you just need to turn on the HTTP so that it can access the internet. Then all you need to do is type in pastebin, and you'll put that program. So pastebin put, and then you would just name the program, which was forward. And pastebin will actually upload it into the cloud and then give you a code so that you can download that later on any computer and any turtle. It's a huge time saver, and it's very helpful, especially with Minecraft. Anyway, for our program here, I'm just going to go ahead and do some modifications here. First thing I was going to type in is this function statement. Function frwd. Now I'm going to create a function called frwd, and I'm going to put a while statement in here, which is another loop statement. While not turtle forward, or well, the turtle is not moving forward. If for some reason there's an impediment, I want it to do something. So I need to type in do over here, and I need to tell it what to do. Well, I want it to dig. So turtle dig out anything that's stopping you from moving forward. And then we'll go ahead and end that statement, and we'll end the function. So you need 2 ends, one to end this while loop and the other one to end the function. Now our program is down here, and we're not going to call turtle dig. We're going to call our new function frwd. So we'll call our function. Get rid of this other statement. We don't need it either. This other function. And we'll save this. Control S, Control E. And let's see if that runs. And it looks like it's going to run. So here we've got the beginning of a pretty powerful program. Again, edit, forward. We've created a function up here. I'm going to go ahead and put a comment in up here. Now we can add comments to our program just with 2 dashes. So I'm going to put 2 dashes in functions so that I come back later, or somebody else looks at this program, they'll have an idea of what I'm trying to do. And it's function, and then down here, this is the main part of the program. So just type main in here. So anybody looking at this can see right away that the information I've written up here is the function, and then the main program is the end. And this is pretty much by convention the way you'll write programs. And in my next one, we're going to add some more functions so that we can get this turtle to create a tight tunnel that will run through either lava or water and it'll keep it completely dry. And then we can also add a what's called a nested loop to get it to place torches behind it, so that any of the mobs, the monsters, won't spawn into the darkness. Well, anyway, this is the introduction to turtle programming. It's been a hugely successful and fun adventure or endeavor in the Minecraft turtle programming. And my students are loving it, and I'm becoming quite a fan of Minecraft. I really enjoy the survival mode, getting through the night and gathering resources. And thanks for watching. See you next time.